How to add a credit card on iPhone. You're going to start by clicking here on Settings. You'll come to the Settings menu. Here you'll click on your name. Go ahead and click. You'll be redirected and then you'll click on this third option, Payment. Click it. And that's it. Now you're here to add a payment method. Notice that the credit card option will already be selected. What do you need to do? You need to enter the card number here, the expiration date, that is the expiry, and the CVV, which is the security code, okay? Your personal information will already be there. You don't need to change anything. Just type in those 3 details that you find on your card. I'm going to enter mine here. Done, I finished adding them. Once you've finished entering the information, just click on Done up here, click it, wait a moment, it will process, and you'll have added the credit card here on your iPhone, okay? There you go, we're back here, and as you can see, we already have a payment method set up. If I click on it now, if I click on the card, I automatically come here and there's an option to remove it if I want to change it, okay? So that's how you add a card to your iPhone as a payment method. If I helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.